Hey, so let me tell you something. AI is not coming to take your job. Don't be scared of it. HR doesn't need to be scared of it. Let's talk about it.
Hi, I am Khalifa Oliver. I am an executive advisor, experience coach, and the author of I Think I Love My Job. Listen, AI is not coming to take your HR job. But if you're still running everything on spreadsheets and gut feelings, maybe it should, right? I kid. So the problem is HR has outdated systems. Always assume HR systems are maybe like 5 years behind where it should be. In many cases, HR tends to learn a little bit after it's lagged after parts of the organization that organizations are more willing to make investments in, like the customer side, customer analytics, customer experience side. The truth is, AI doesn't have to replace. AI is supposed to increase efficiency. At its core, AI is a statistics tool. It builds on these models. The intent is that you have to train it and build it up and build up its strength and knowledge of your organization with the right clean data to help you with more effective and efficient decisions. What that means is that your time to make decisions becomes shorter, and the efficacy of the ability to make good decisions becomes so much improved. Now, I know it could feel scary because it feels like, oh, there's a chatbot that's doing my transactional role, or there's a chatbot that's doing the HR generalist role. No. HR needs to become a more data-driven part of the organization, which will mean that some of the rules are going to change. You're going to have to do more upskilling, more reskilling. It doesn't mean you have to be a programmer or coder, but it means you need to understand data and insights and patterns so you are better and more familiar with how the role has become more efficient and what you can do to create more efficiencies and fill more gaps. In many cases, we're holding on to these roles because these gaps are so wide. AI tools in HR could come and fill some of these gaps so we can then turn to focus on some of the more important and human-based, people-centered design part of things. According to PwC, HR teams using AI to augment decision-making see 30% faster hiring times and 50% more efficiency in employee support. It doesn't mean that you're putting out people from their roles. It means you can focus on the more important things because a lot of these tasks can now be automated and made smarter. The fix. Start small. Use AI to help you with basic things. Resume screening, but not decisions. Parts of employee listening that then can get sent and queued up to a human to review. Predictive analytics as you train models to become better with more forecasting. Think augmentation as opposed to simply automation. AI and AI tools can help you support decisions. It doesn't make the decision for you. The risk of AI and the danger of AI is when you have it making decisions for you. That should never happen. It should just be a tool that you use, and the decision is made by the human who has more context. And again, you have to train HR leaders. AI literacy is now an HR skill. Bottom line. Whether you like it or not, that is where we are, that is where we're heading. You don't do it, you get left behind. Remember, reskilling, upskilling, it is a part of where we're going. It is inevitable. The real risk in HR, when it comes to things like emerging technology like AI, it isn't AI itself, it's HR falling behind. AI can be your biggest asset to help you become more efficient and productive if you stop fearing it and start using it. That's how you also can assess risk better. That's how you understand gaps that it can fill. That's how you upskill and reskill. You gotta stop fearing it. Start using it. If you enjoy this and find this helpful, don't forget to like and follow and share with a friend or two.